everyone! Welcome to Homemade in Canada. How are you these days? For those of you who are still having a hard time because of the corona, today I'd like to introduce the pizza bread, which are made in the shape of Mickey and Minnie Mouse, the characters that my daughter loved when she was young. It's cute to look at and a fun time with pizza bread you want to try. Let's make it like a Disney character bread of memories. We need flour, sugar, salt, dry yeast, butter, eggs, milk, sliced vegetables and ham, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, purple sweet potato powder, cooking oil. Put dry yeast in warm milk. Mix it. Add the flour to the bowl. Make 2 holes. Add sugar and salt. Cover it. Add break egg. Pour dry yeast milk in flour. After kneading the dough, take it out and knead it again by hand. Put the butter in the dough, wrap it, and knead the butter so that it is well absorbed in the dough. After making the dough round, put the wrap on it and ferment it for about 50 minutes in a warm place. Take out the double fermented dough from the bowl. Knead it and cut it in half. Cut the dough into 1/4 and divide it in half. Wrap the dough into small circles and large circle and ferment for 15 minutes. Cut the another dough into 1/4 and divide it into 3. Wrap the dough for fermentation and put purple sweet potato powder on the 1 small circle dough for leaven. Add mozzarella cheese to 2 small circles and wrap it well for Mickey Mouse ears. After making it flat, press it with a spoon. The body is pushed with a pusher and pressed with a 10 cm round circle. Remove the edge of the dough and fold it in half. Overlap it and fill it well. Push the round circle back with the pusher. Stick removed dough around the edge of the round circle. Stick Mickey's ears on the top of the body. Fold a round circle. Put pizza sauce and sliced vegetables and spam. Add mozzarella cheese on it. Control the amount of cheese. Spread the cooking oil in the oven container and put Mickey Mouse on one side. Push the purple sweet potato dough with the pusher and cut it a little bit.
Make a ribbon. The cut dough wraps around the middle of the ribbon. Minnie Mouse is made in the same process as Mickey Mouse. Put the ribbon between Minnie's ears. Wrap the foil so that the ribbon color does not change. Apply the egg yolk evenly to Mickey and Minnie. Bake for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. It's baked well. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Cute! How do I made it pretty and it's very proud. I tried pizza bread, which is expected. Mickey's body, inside moist and outside crispy. Vegetables and spam. Mozzarellatchiz. I love it. Challenge everyone. I think Mickey and Minnie are summoning gently into the place of memory. Have a good time with Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. If you make Disney character bread a favorite item for children, you will not be bored anymore. Thank you to the subscribers who always support me. I will try to be a good content that loved by everyone. Have a great time. See you again. Bye.